By 2020, 80% of large and middle-sized organizations in mature regions will have deployed one or more content collaboration platform products to implement a content productivity and collaboration strategy. Gartner defines that as CCP, and Anshare is such a content collaboration platform. Now, I will show you the innovative features of Anshare. Let's first introduce how the files are uploaded in Anshare PC client. Anshare enables users to upload the files by creating new and dragging. For example, you can create a new file in Anshare. Or you can drag the files to the specific directory. And the files or folders will automatically synchronize to Anshare. For all files or folders with unchecked icon, you can download them to Anshare. Just choose them and open, copy, or move it. Or choose them and click the Download button. In the All Synchronous information, you can know the sync details about the files. And the file will be locked when you open it. And other visitors can only preview. And the name of the locker will be displayed in here. When you close it, it will automatically unlock. Select a file or folder on the desktop and right-click on it. Choose Eisoo and Share. You can send to web disk and send to web disk. When sent to web disk, you can specify the synchronized directory in Anshare. Also, you can specify the synchronized directory in Anshare settings. Click Add, select the local directory. And select the sync installations. After the settings are completed, the files in the local specified directory will automatically synchronize every time when you're online. Furthermore, select a file, you can send it to Anshare. This is sent to your personal documents in Anshare. For a file, you can share it to other users by setting permissions and share the link. Select a file and click Permissions. Add the person you want to share. Anshare provides permissions including display, preview, download, copy, modify, create, delete, and owner. Then click Share Link and copy the interlink and send it to him or her. Anshare supports Office online editing. Users who have permission to edit Office files can collaborate online by using the Office online tool provided by Anshare. For example, open a file, click Edit. Then you can modify or delete the content of the file. Eisoo supports real-time automatic saving and synchronization of online edited content. In addition, Eisoo supports multiple-person online editing, permits the list of multiple user edits based on the same file, when multiple users edit the same file online at the same time. Eisoo will promote the person who is editing the current file, and the content edited by other people will be refreshed in real time. For example, open Excel and click Edit. And you can see the file also edited by Li Shanshan. You can modify the content. And the content of the file currently being modified will be synchronized to the current page in real time. Eisoo support for text search. Enter the keywords in here. And select the search range. Then click Enter. Or you can enter the tag. The file size. And content. Or the type. Then click Search. You can also find the files from public share. Eisoo provides automatic document analysis options. After admin adds the options in the management console, the system will automatically add tags according to the content or keywords of the files. For example, select a file. You can see the file's tag on the right side. In addition, you can manually set tags for files with modified permissions and categorize files of the same type or feature. Select a file, click Edit, then enter the tag. And click the tag, the system will automatically jump to Eisoo web search page to get other files that contain the tag. In web access, users can express their opinions about the files by commenting, which helps the owner to optimize the contents of the files according to the comments. Select a file, click Comments on the right, and then enter your comments. And click Post. Also, you can delete the comment. Eisoo supports anti-print and anti-screenshots. Users can't print and screenshots after admin enables the DLP policy in the Magic console. For example, if you want to print a file in the PC client, there will be a prompt that shows you print files. In the same way, in Eisoo web page, if you want to use the shortcut key to capture the screen will be virtual. If you want to print the file, the screen will also be virtual. When the mobile is lost, Users can log into web page of Eisoo to remotely wipe the lost device and prevent data leakage on the device. Click Mobile Device on the left side and choose a device you can wipe the data, or disable the device. Eisoo supports preview watermark. Admin enable built-in watermark policy in the Manage console. Customize text, set the font size and color with watermark layout and watermark tool saver, and then click Save. And the preview watermark in Eisoo web page is like this. Eisoo supports file security analysis. We can monitor the abnormal operation behavior of sensitive users in real time to avoid the loss caused by the large number of copies or delete of confidential files when employees leave. Audit the entire operation of the files and record the specific operation of various enterprise files at different stages. The first is audit the operation of the files. For example, we can set the files with Eisoo files as important files. If you want to know the specific operation of these files, you can select the time and enter the operation object and the file name in here. And then click Search. The system will show you some specific operational data of these files, such as the number of Eisoo operation, the time change of Eisoo operation, and the top 10 operated files. You can also know when the file was downloaded, who downloaded the file, who deleted the file, and so on. Second, we can monitor the behavior of sensitive users, such as the staff to be resigned or employed in a confidential position. You can view the operation behavior of those employees before leaving. Just enter the username in here. And click Search. To quickly locate at what time what did he do with the file, such as what data did he or she delete, what file did he or she download, or what files have been sent out by him or her. In order to have a good experience for users, Eisoo supports online video and audio playback. For example, open a video, then it will play back.
Nowadays, file data grows fast, and the demand
You can stop playing the video.
for mobile office
You can
booms.
also download
More and more
it.
enterprises are hunting for secure and manageable file sharing platforms.
In Eisoo Web Access, files can be shared to other people. Select a file, click Link, and open External Link. And you can set permissions for the file and expiration date, password. External link opens and click Save. Then you can copy the link and send to other people. In addition, meeting documents or announcements can be paperless shared to attendees through a QR code. Because Eisoo automatically generates a QR code, you can download the QR code and send it to the attendees. Attendees scan the QR code to preview online or download the meeting documents according to the permission. And it also can be shared by mail or other means. Of course, Eisoo also has many other innovative features and supports multiple platform applications. Whether you are on PC, web, or mobile device, you can work with Eisoo. If you want to know more details about Eisoo, please contact our sales team.